Hi y'all. Got another box from Dan. So I'm gonna get right to doing this. I was hoping this would have been my last box from eBay that came today, but two, three. Every time I go three, oh, it's a magic number. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's see. Exo Man of War 16. I guess he sent me. I don't remember bidding on that. X Mutants 2. He gave me Tales of the Teen Titans 52, which I already had both of them. Here's stuff I ordered. Amazing Spider-Man number 24 variant. Daredevil number 1. Demon Days X-Men number 1 variant.
Papa, kick us the way to watch TV.
Demon Days X-Men number 1 variant. I had the Marvel Legends reprint of this, but I got Fantastic Four 233. Warlock number 13. Joseph Shemelak's Cherry Blackbird. Mature content. I like the cover of that, so I bought it. Nightclub number 1. Unicorn or Unicorn number 1. Van Helsing, the Return of the League of Monsters, part 1 of 2. Fistful of Blood from IDW number 2. Crossover number 1. Number 2. And number 3. God, is it hot up here in the I gotta get an air conditioner for up here. Best time to come up here is like freaking way early in the morning. Trade. ElfQuest book 5. Got to get a magazine. Oh well, maybe I'll get the X Mutants number 5. Young Justice number 17. X-Men number 71. I got one more towards volume 1 of X Factor, 141. I got Wonder Woman 25. 24. 34. 31. 28. Issue 32. Streets of Glory number 1. Northlanders 7 The Returned number 3. Ninja High School number 41. Cold Blooded number 1. Pit number 3. Excalibur 4, X-Men 34, Her Infernal Descent #1, and then there should be some goodness in here. Wolverine 115, West Coast Avengers 69, Young Justice #18, 19, one more towards Excalibur Volume 1, Issue 81, Somerset Holmes, Issue 3, another one for my Uncanny X-Men #208, picked up Thor #7 variant, another Thor #7 variant, Thor issue #8, issue 9 variant, issue 11 variant. Then I got Thor issue 18, which is the Marvel Masterpiece Joe Jusko variant. Picked up Thor #19 variant. #31 variant. And then I got Punisher #11, which is Frankencastle. And the spine-tingling Spider-Man #1. And that's what I got this edition. And as always, I thank everybody out there for viewing and subscribing.